Hey lovelies, I hope you are doing well. So have you tried vegetable flatbread before, guys? This is so delicious, so easy. Oh, just try it out. Um if you are new here, you are really welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Now we are going to try to start with milk. Warm milk. You add in 2 teaspoons of yeast and then a teaspoon of sugar. Mix that nicely and let it sit for at least 10 minutes for the yeast to bloom. Now we are going to cut out our vegetables. Now you feel free to use as much vegetables as you can according to the measurements that you're using. In this recipe, I used one green pepper, one big onion. As you can see there, you cut it nicely, and then after you grate it so that it's very soft. I used 2 garlic cloves and 1 carrot. So those are my vegetables after grating them. Now, after 10 minutes, you add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. Now, you mix this nicely. You mix this nicely for the salt and the sugar to mix with the flour, and then you add in your vegetables. Now, you remember you can use as many vegetables as you like. You can go on and get your red bell peppers and yellow bell peppers. Try to make it as flavorful as you want it to be. Now you also add in a quarter cup of milk in there so that your dough is soft and sticky, so that our flatbread also turns out very soft and yeah, very soft and delicious. So you mix this nicely. Because it's a bit sticky, we are going to add in a bit of oil. Now you add in oil there and you go on and you mix the oil with your dough. So yes, now I'm going to go in with my hands here. You get your worktop or anything that you're using. Add a half cup of all-purpose flour there, and yes, go on in there with the kneading. Don't worry, this is not going to take long. You can do this for at least 5 minutes or until your flour has soaked in the dough. Yes, now you keep kneading nicely, soft and nice until your dough is smooth. Yes, until your dough is good. So now in your pan, please add in a bit of oil and then you add in your dough because you don't want it to stick on the pan. Just like that. Try to spread oil on your dough evenly. Yes, and now you're going to let it sit for at least 20 minutes, guys. So yes, you just give it 20 minutes. Even though it has yeast, yes, just give it 20 minutes. Now when it's done resting, you spread it on your worktop, and you cut out shapes. Now you can use your hands. Yeah, I started with this, but later on I realized that my hands are much better. I later went on with my hands because with your hands you tell that the shapes are even. Now yes, you go in with your hands and make sure that you making even shapes so that even your flatbread, all the pieces that you're going to make out are nice and even, so that no one complains. So now yes, you're going to go in there and make your balls, make them into ball shapes. Yes, nice and even, and yes. So yes, we managed to get 7 out of these. Some of them are bigger, a bit bigger, but yeah, it's about right. So you go in there and roll this out nicely. Make sure that it's circle. It's the shape that you really want. As you're doing this, please heat up your pan so that it preheats. By the time you're done rolling, your pan will be hot enough for you to lay on your flatbread. Now, this point, please don't add oil. You heat it. You heat it one side, and then you turn around after 3 minutes, and you're going to heat it the other side. And yes, those bubbles that you see, that's very, very good. Now you also turn it and heat it that side. As you can see, it's what do I say, it's a balloon, it's making oh my god, yes, so it's it has puffed. Yeah, it has puffed. Oh my god. So yes, add oil. The moment it does that, please add oil. Now I do this because I really, really, really want to get that golden brown and a bit of crispiness. It's when it cools, it's going to be a bit crispy and then soft at the same time. Not too crispy for like you'll not eat it, but the browning is just amazing. Now, if you don't like the oil, you can just leave out the oil and you get your butter. You heat up your butter and you just smear it on when it's off the heat, so that you get that nice browning also. These are so nice, so yummy. Try them out and let me know. And yes, now I'm going to give you a tip for keeping them soft for long, even for overnight. So you get your aluminum foil, you wrap them up nicely, and you make sure that you have really wrapped it nicely. So you get another piece and you wrap it again. When you keep it like this, you can even eat it for 2 days when it's still soft. Yes, don't come for me before trying it out. God bless you all. Ciao.